Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Rinske Douna and this is my art channel. Today I am gonna work on a 16 by 60 inch canvas. It's gonna be a test, something new that I have not done yet before. The last couple of months I'm very much into the Dutch bloom. So it's a Dutch pour technique with a spin out and it creates those bloom designs when I tweak it. But before that, I was really into a split color base. So today I'm gonna combine those two, make a Dutch bloom on a split color base. Will be a lot of fun, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm using what I call a peacock color palette. It's turquoise, greens, violets and some gold, but the split color will be a white and a Prussian blue. Those colors I work with the most and I feel the most comfortable with. So let's start with the base here. So one half will be titanium white. Let me just spread that out. Alright. And then the other half will be Prussian blue. Oh, how I love my Prussian blue. It's the perfect color for the pearl colors as well. And I really hope the table and the spinning table are leveled because it needs to when doing a split base, right? When I spin it out. Alright, looking great. Canvas, you're looking great today. So far. You know, I can really enjoy a new fresh canvas, a new fresh base, super clean and ready to go. So I'm pouring a bit more here in the center because I want to blow the colors out right away. And first I probably will blow them towards the sides here in the split. I think that would be best, but then they really need to touch the splits. Okay, they're kissing now. So let's start with the colors. I have this beautiful super soft sea green and I'm starting with that right in the middle here. Then I'm gonna go in with a darker green. And this is a dark olive green. Okay, so then a light violet. I think this is called an ultramarine violet. A bit more. And then let's go with a super dark violet. I love that color when there's gold on top, so that's why I'm choosing that for the end. I do think, by the way, my sea green, because I mixed this myself, could have been a bit darker, a bit more vibrant, but it's on here now, so we're gonna work with it. I'm gonna blow it out right away. Super interesting. Okay, let's start. Oh, it's such a small canvas, I could blow them even out right away over the edges. So it's really a square design at the moment. So that's not what I'm going for or what I like. I would like to blow some parts a little bit more. Like this. Well, you know what? I don't think I can really fix that composition. I don't know how I feel about this yet, but luckily it's on my spinning table. Oh, did I just put Prussian blue on my hair? Art is life. Okay, I will torch the middle and then I'm gonna spin this out. I should have pulled my hair up. Also, my hair is such a mess these days. I cut it myself because I think Tigo wakes up every morning thinking, how much hair can I pull out of mom's head today? And I was so sick of it. So it's time for a hairdresser, but working with it now, how it is. Ooh, a lot of cells. Also, I'm not impressed by this color palette at the moment, I must say. Yeah, let's spin this out. Let's spin this out. Oh, God. You saw that spin out? Yeah, well, I felt it. I guess there was a lot of paint on canvas. I did not spin that hard, did I? This is quite interesting. You know what? I think this is like super cool. This is really cool. Still not impressed by the color palette, I must say, but I love the split going on in it. I'm tempted to spin more. Shall I? I shall. I'm giving myself permission. So, how would I like this composition? I always try to determine what the composition would be if I want to do more with this painting. I think this is a fun one. This is really a fun one. Okay, I will let this dry and bring you up for the close-up.